Hey friends, your girl still can't taste or smell, but it's slowly starting to come back. If you guys know, you know. Anyways, hello, welcome to the channel. My name's Rhonda, and over here we love to unbox the Temu. Speaking of which, look at this that I just put together. I'm obsessed with the Temu jewelry. So it's actually 3 pieces. Okay, this is the moissanite. These are cubic zirconia pieces, and I just love to change up my jewelry all the time. My earrings, under $1. Temu. Got them also in gold. Pretty obsessed with it. So anyways, before we jump into today's video or Temu unboxing, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel each and every single month. To those of you that are clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, thank you guys bunches. And for those of you that are just stopping by or returning, thank you guys so much. And if you share this video over on Facebook, thank you big bunches. If there's anything you guys want me to haul in future Temu unboxings, leave me a comment down below. So if you've never heard of Temu, Temu is an app that you can download that has a little bit of everything from a cat patio, catio, playpen, whatever you want to call it, outdoor decor, fashion, shoes, jewelry, accessories, you name it, they have it. I've got a special little link down below for you guys with a coupon code and everything where you can do a little shopping, some of my favorites. Plus, check out my Temu playlist. Temu offers free returns, free shipping, and free price adjustments. They have lightning deals all the time. They let me pick out these goodies, and we're about to have some fun. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so the first thing that I picked out, I have been sick, so that blanket is the coziest blanket. That was like my little like comfort blanket while I was on the couch. Oh my gosh, is this a waterproof? So this, I thought it was a what's that called, a bedspread. It's not. It's a mattress protector, waterproof mattress protector. It's soft, and it's not the kind, have you seen this or had the kind that literally when you move it sounds like a plastic bag? This is not that. Holy guacamole, yay. In here, this is a repick because they're pink and they're pretty and they work and I love them. So fun fact, if you guys get velvet hangers, they're thinner than regular plastic hangers. Therefore, girl math, you can actually do more shopping and buy more clothes because you're gonna have more space when you use these kind of hangers. They do come in other colors, but I like the pink, so I've been growing my pink collection of velvet hangers. But you guys see, they're so cute. I love them. I love them so much. And this is like a pack of 10, I think 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, pack of 10, good deal, love them. All right, so this next thing is organization. My 18-year-old keeps saying, Mom, we need to start the spring cleaning and everything, and I'm like, yeah. Okay, so it's like a 3-tier tray on wheels. Oh wow, I'm trying to think where I could put this. So you've got like the little everything you need to put this together. I'm trying to think where I'm gonna put it though. I'm like, ooh, bathroom storage, we could do that. You could do this in the pantry, you could do this in your craft room. These kind of things, I'm telling you. Okay, for example, I obviously haven't put these away yet, but these kind of organization things that you can find at Temu, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Because of the fact they're so freaking affordable. It's a better deal than anywhere. So anyways, you just start putting it together like this, and it's like a nice little shelf, much needed shelf. All right, so next in here is a super cute silicone kitchen baking supply set, and it's got a ton of pieces. It is food grade silicone. I was trying to see if it had how many pieces, but hold on. The best part, are you guys ready for this? The best part is the fact that it's all pink. And you have all different, like we've got donuts, we've got tiny muffins, big muffins, oh my gosh, little bun pans. Oh my gosh, these are like little roses. You've got for your bread, you've got a, I don't even know, oh, a button pan. You've got everything. And it even comes with spatula things. Okay, when I say Temu has it, they have it all. So yeah, these are really nice. Now one thing I will tell you guys where I've messed up before, if they're real heavy like this, Well, here's where I screwed up. I screwed up on, actually these are nicer than the ones I got. So I'd gotten some off of Amazon and they were super flimsy, where this, you can like put it right into your oven, no worries. So these are already better than the ones that I have. So I'm gonna just get rid of the other ones that I have. But it's a little, you can make little donut cupcakes. Yeah, even this one is nicer than the one that I had. But I'd gotten some from another store, and I put the cupcake stuff in, and see how I'm holding it like this, and it's holding. Well, the other ones, I would hold it and it was like this. So this is a better type of silicone than what I had before. So I'm gonna get rid of the other ones because these are much nicer bakeware, and they do come in other colors too, guys. They had red, black, green, gray, and pink. Obviously, I had to go with pink because your girl kind of loves pink. It was funny because one of my videos I was talking about my love of pink, and one of you guys were like, I feel ya, obsessed with pink too. So here you go. This is a ton. This would make a great gift. Like if somebody just got a home or something and needed some bakeware, this would be great. All right, next in here, I got more baking stuff. I got, how cute is this? It's plastic. I wasn't for sure if it was glass or plastic. Obviously, I could have read, but God forbid, hooked on phonics, you know what I'm saying? But I went with these cute little baking measuring cups and then spoons. Taking this down for our camping. We love to camp, and I need all the things. That way I don't have to take things back and forth. So if you're like us and you camp all the time, but you also want to cook and eat good, and you want to, you know, fill your things and you don't have to worry about taking it back and forth, just shop Temu. Shop Temu. They literally have everything. We just put everything into a big tote and then we've got it all. Is this for gardening? Yes. Okay. So my husband is a gardener. I do not have a green thumb. So these are, they're like to help the soil, and here, it's like a little mini greenhouse. So if you guys are into planting and gardening and everything, and you need like the little net and everything to help, like this is it. So you can make these little clip thingies. They've got the clip things, and then you like can put the net right on there, and you don't have to worry about the bugs and everything, and you can make yourself like a little greenhouse. So yeah, when I saw that, I was like, add to cart, because this is something that would be super, super helpful. Temu has it. Random things. Oh, FYI, if you go to the search bar in the Temu app, okay, go to the search bar and literally whatever you are looking for, from organization to garden supplies to camping gear, they have it. So everybody always decorates their campsites, and I wanted to decorate ours. So got a cute little wreath, and it's waterproof, and it has cute little butterflies on it. How fun is that? Has a nice little pink ribbon, go figure. And then it's got little ladybugs, or no, little butterflies on here. My butterfly fell off, but whatever. But how cute is that? I love the wreaths from Temu. They last so well. I always get these kind of things because the fact they're waterproof, weatherproof, you don't have to worry about anything. But that's a good size. I mean, you can see compared to my head and everything, that's a good size. Good for the door or whatever. But yeah, I got like little hooks and stuff in my last Temu haul to like hang baskets and bird feeders and all of that. We gonna have a cute little campsite, okay? Next in here, okay, I always get my mats from Temu. Decorative mats. They're really adorable. They work well. I've got one sitting over here at my door that says check your vibe before you come inside. But I got this one, of course, down for our campsite. Listen, I'm about glamping, okay? I guess I shouldn't call it camping. I'm about the glamping life. And this is freaking adorable. It kind of reminds me of Pioneer Woman with like the blues and the flowers and everything. I love it. Super, super freaking adorable. Then, oh my gosh. See how I love that? Yes. Got another one to go with us down camping, sit around the campfire, what have you. So I got another one of the super soft throw blankets, literally what is back here. I got another one for our camping. Glamping. Sorry, for our glamping. You cannot freaking beat these. These would make excellent gifts. They come like already together, like already perfect to gift. I freaking love this. You cannot beat this. I am honestly low-key most excited over the mattress cover. If you need mattress protectors, I don't care if you have kids, animals, yourself, I don't know, definitely check those out. When I tell you they have everything, they freaking have everything. Do you guys see how nice and luxurious these are? Let me show you, because like I said, this is my comfort throw. So this is the throw size, and like I said, I had to get another one. I love this. When I travel, I don't know about you guys, but when I travel, I always have a blanket with us, so I'm cozy in the car. But yeah, this is what the blankets look like. It's a perfect throw, a great gift. We've run this through the washer, the dryer, everything. Oh, and here's my ring again. That's from Temu. Isn't that so beautiful? Definitely got to check out the Temu Moissanite jewelry. It's so good. And just on cue, here's my baby. Alright friends, so that is everything for today's Temu haul. That's my kitty cat. Every time I film, she makes an appearance. So if you hear noise in the background, you're like, Rhonda, what is that? That's my cat on her scratching post. You want to come say hi? She's like, no, there's boxes I'm going to play with. Hi. Come here. Say hi to the world. She's the perfectest, beautiful little kitty witty. Anyways, friends, that is everything for today's Temu haul. Everything will be linked and listed down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's video. I definitely appreciate it. Thank you to Temu for stocking up my camping spot, my glamper, if you will. Let me know some things that you guys want to see in some future video or Temu hauls. Everything will be linked and listed for you guys. Don't forget, they have lightning deals all the time. So some of the prices that I may have popped up, the prices may have changed just because of the fact that they have all the different types of lightning deals, flash sales, dollar deals, you name it. That's my kitty cat again. Anyways, friends, until next time, check me out on my other channels. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. Thank you to Temu once again for letting me pick out all of these goodies. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye! Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.